to right choose.
Top 10 Best Rooftop Air Conditioner in 2024.
Top 1.
Dometic Penguin 2 Low Profile Rooftop Air Conditioner, Multi-Zone CCC2 Control Board, 15 kBTU with heat pump polar white air conditioner for RVs, trailers, and campers. Multi-zone control, with the pre-installed multi-zone CCC2 control board, you can easily control and adjust the temperature in different zones of your RV for personalized comfort. Non-duct application, air distribution box and UCI thermostat required. Duct application, return air grill and UCI thermostat required. Low profile design. The low-profile rooftop air conditioner features sleek and futuristic styling, improving the aerodynamics of your RV while adding a touch of modern elegance. Polar white color. The air conditioner comes in a stylish polar white color, seamlessly blending with the exterior of your RV for a clean and attractive look.
Top 2.
Dometic Brisk 2,15 kBTU Air Conditioner White, 15,000 BTU, Rooftop Standard Profile Air Conditioner Non-Duct Application, Air Distribution Box required. No pre-installed controls. Non-duct application, air distribution box required. Duct application.
Top 3.
Go Cool RV Air Conditioner 15,000 BTU, Non-duct camper rooftop AC unit with heat pump, high efficiency EER 8.5, Wi-Fi and remote control, black. All-weather comfort. Whether you're battling the heat or trying to stay warm in the winter, the Go Cool Series camper AC unit can not only cool your RV but also heat it. The high 15,000 BTU cooling capacity and powerful 12,000 BTU heating capacity cover larger spaces up to 600 SQ. Ford 15,000 BTU is suitable for RVs from 16 feet to 24 feet long. Flexible operation. Say goodbye to manually adjusting the temperature settings on your air conditioner. With smart Wi-Fi control, you can manage and monitor the AC unit using your smartphone by the free Gree Plus app. Energy efficient performance. This air conditioner boasts a high efficiency EER.
Top 4.
RV Air Conditioner 10,000 BTU Non-Duct, 45 dB 2-in-1 RV Rooftop Air Conditioner for heater and cooling, easy to install 12V RV DC unit for RVs, camper, and trucks, etc. 12 volts, DC. Wide compatibility. This 12V RV roof air conditioners is non-duct configuration, suitable for most Caravan models. It is more compatible and easier to install, providing the ideal air conditioning solution for your RV. 12V RV air conditioner dimensions are 72 centimeters * 66.7 centimeters * 18 centimeters, 28.34 in asterisk 26.26 in asterisk 7.08 in. The sunroof size needs to be larger than 22.5.
Top 5.
Dometic Penguin 2 Rooftop Air Conditioner with Heat Pump. High cap 15 kBTU white single zone with CT control board cooling unit 115 volt AC for RVs, trailers, and campers. Efficient heating and cooling. The Dometic Penguin 2 heat pump can provide the benefits of both systems as a heater and as well as a cooler with just one of.
Top 6.
24V Rooftop Air Conditioner, 880W 8000 BTU Cooling and Heating RV Air Conditioner, RV Air Conditioner with Heat 2-in-1 for RV, van, caravan, camper, trailer, motorhome, buses etc. Heating and cooling. This RV air conditioner supports 7800 BTU cooling and 3500 BTU heating capacity, being able to provide a comfortable time both in summer and winter parking using 2-in-1 tailor-made rooftop air conditioner for most RV, easy to install. This rooftop AC is tailor-made with rooftop window size 18, 460 mm, x 12, 310 mm, retrofitting is unnecessary. Cut spending. This RV air conditioner helps save up to approximate $6,552/year by being able to be provided energy. Top 7. RV AC Unit 15,000 BTU Non-Duct Rooftop Air Conditioner only cooling with air distribution box gray. Cooling and heating combination. The King River air conditioner features a built-in cooling mode. This not only provides rapid cooling during hot forest camping to the RV. Rapid cooling. The King River RV air conditioner is equipped with a professional-grade compressor, combined with R410A refrigerant and a 15,000 BTU dual-axis motor, allowing for a swift temperature adjustment inside the RV in just 10 minutes, ensuring rapid circulation of cool. Specifications. The King River RV air conditioner measures 29.5 inches x 27 inches x 14.2 inches for its size, with an opening size of 14-1/8 inches x 14-1/8 inches. Top 8. Dometic Blizzard NXT Mid-Profile Rooftop Air Conditioner, AC with heat pump for duct or non-duct application 15 kBTU black single zone AC unit for RVs and trailers. Efficient cooling and heating RV unit. The Blizzard NXT 15 kBTU AC system delivers high-capacity air conditioning. Top 9. Dometic Penguin 2 Rooftop Air Conditioner, low-profile single or multi-zone AC unit for RVs, 15 kBTU, duct or non-duct application W/RIP reinforced base pan and R410A refrigerant white. Sleek, contemporary design, The Dometic Penguin 2 Rooftop Air Conditioner features a modern shroud design that improves aerodynamics and reduces wind resistance, making it ideal for use on RVs and other mobile vehicles. Powerful cooling performance, with the Top 10 24V RV Rooftop Air Conditioners, 11,000 BTU Non-Ducted RV Air Conditioner for cooling and heating, Dual Fan RV Air Conditioning Unit for RVs, trucks, trailer, camper, van, etc. 24V, cold and warm. More energy efficient intelligent variable frequency RV air condition. Our RV air conditioning adopts intelligent frequency conversion regulation technology, which can automatically adjust the cooling and heating capacity according to indoor temperature and user needs, keeping it in the optimal speed state at all times. Compared with traditional RV rooftop air conditioner, it can better meet the needs of users, provide a more comfortable temperature and environment, avoid indoor temperatures that are too low or too high, and save at.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.